Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.